Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I do try to respond to all my comments, so your voice will be heard. And today I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I can't wait to open it and see everything in person. And this is the bag, and this is the bag, and I saved those mailer bags for shipping again. And it is, I think it's an okay looking bag. The colors go together just fine. It's kind of boring, but I've got lots of stuff in here, and I wrote down the prices of everything so that way I have a little more information. We're going to start with the first thing that I'm pulling out, which is from Flesh, and it is the highlighter in Pinky. And I have tons of little tiny highlighters like this. So this is going to go in a giveaway, but it is gorgeous. I am not going to swatch it, but it's a beautiful cream highlighter, and Flesh is a pretty good company, and this is an $18 highlighter, and it's a lot of uses out of this little cream highlighter for sure. Then next up is Galactic 3-in-1 Sparkle Balm Duo, and it's in like a lilac and a shimmery white. It's really hard to read the packaging. I'm not going to take it out of the bag because I have so many balms that this would, and this is a $34 value. And highlighters, I was hoping that I could just use it like a little inner corner highlighter, but it's for the lips. It's what it said on the website. So, oh, and this is my add-on. It is a little tiny $3 Tarte Shape Tape. And it is in light, which is my color. And that is going to be great. I have tried the Shape Tape in the past, but I can't remember if I love it or hate it. So for $3, I thought it was worth adding it on. Next up is a lip from, I wrote it down. It is from Complex Culture, which is an Ipsy brand. And this is a tinted lip cream in Rusty Rose. And this packaging is beautiful. And this is, I like a lip tint. So I'm going to swatch this. Oh yeah, this is something that's going to go right next to my laptop because I love a lip tint, and that is beautiful. Totally gorgeous. Look at that. I will get some use out of that for sure. And this is an $18 value. And then we've got some palettes. And the first one I'm pulling out is the Shania B Mini Miami palette, and it's a $20 value. And I've heard that the shimmers in here are fantastic. Let's see if I can get the plastic off so we can look. Look at that. That is really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to use this palette or not, but it is beautiful, and it's a beautiful neutral palette, and those shimmers look fantastic. I just have a lot of neutral palettes and lots of shimmers, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this palette, but it is a $20 value. And then this next palette is from Voss. And it's also a $20 value, and I've heard hits and misses on this. A good friend of mine had bad luck with this palette. And very nice packaging. It's got that smooth feel to it. And the color story is really beautiful. So I'm definitely going to have to give this palette a go just to see if she just got a bad palette. But it's very beautiful. Mini coral palette. $20. So for $25 this month, I got 2 palettes, a lip tint, a highlighter, some 3-in-1 lip product, and for $3 more, I got this little add-on. So I think overall it's a good box this month. It's not my favorite box, but I feel like I got my money's worth out of it. So the total value of the box was $110. And for 25 bucks, I think that's pretty good. So I hope you guys have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon.